dead tired, dead on, dead to me. Check out this lesson to learn some really useful idioms that use the word dead. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. Although the word dead by itself means the end of life, in English, we often use the word dead together with other words to create useful expressions and many idioms. In this lesson, I will introduce you to 11 really useful idioms that will help you speak more fluent English. Also, I will include some example sentences so you can practice them to sound more natural. Our first one is this: dead tired. We say this when a person looks like they have died. They look so tired. They look like a dead person. And you could use this to talk about yourself. I feel dead tired. We usually say this after a hard day of work. Another word we can use is exhausted. I feel exhausted. Same meaning as I feel dead tired. For past tense, you can say I felt dead tired from working morning until night. I felt dead tired. Number 2 is dead on. And dead on means that you are exactly right, exactly correct. The weather report said it would rain at 3 p.m. today. It was dead on. It rained at exactly 3 p.m. Here's another example. My brother said the team would win 3-1, and they did. He was dead on. Okay, on to number 3. Number 3 is the opposite meaning, dead wrong. Dead wrong. That means that someone is completely wrong. They thought something, but it was wrong. Dead wrong. So the situation may be that someone said something about you and it's not true, and you can say, no, that's dead wrong. That's not true at all. That person is dead wrong. I'll give you some sentence examples. She said, I never listened to her. But she's dead wrong. I always listen to her. Here's another example. I thought he was the best person for the job. But I was dead wrong. So this means I made a mistake. The person is not good for the job. My mistake. I was completely wrong. I was dead wrong. Our next one is dead end job. A dead end job is not a good job. First, let's talk about what it is. A dead end job is usually low pay, low salary, and there's no chance for you to get a promotion, to go up in the company. No chance. So what is a dead end? A dead end is a street or a road that you can drive on, but at the end, it's closed. All right? You drive, but it's closed. So you must turn around and go back the other way. So a dead end job means there is no future in this job. And we often use it to talk about a bad job that you want to change. For example, I'm working in a dead end job. I need to find a new job. My current job is a dead-end job. I need to find a new one. And that's an example of a dead-end job. I really hope you don't have a dead-end job. Moving on to number 5. Number 5 is dead set. And dead set is used when somebody decides something and they will not change their way of thinking. They are dead set on this idea. Okay? Maybe, for example, the town has decided to build a new city hall, and they are dead set on making this very tall city hall that will be very expensive. They are dead set. They've decided and they can't change. On a personal level, when we use dead set, it's usually for a big decision in a person's life. For example, my sister is dead set on changing her job. That means she really has decided she's changing her job and she will quit. Another sentence example, her father is dead set against her marrying that guy. Our next one is number 6. Number 6 is deadhead. And deadhead is used usually for a bus or a taxi. And you'll often see that on a sign at the top of the bus. It might say Deadhead. And this means that the bus is not picking up any passengers. The bus is driving straight back to the bus depot where the other buses are. So maybe the driver has finished working for the day. All right, we're on to number 7. I have a question for you. Has a person ever been so angry at you that they never want to talk to you again? I hope not, but we have an expression for that. So if someone will never talk to you again, that person will say, "You are dead to me." In the reverse, we can say as well, if there is a person that did something very, very bad, and you decided that you will never talk to that person again, you can say, that person, he or she, is dead to me. And this is very serious. It means that you feel that person has died. You never want to talk or see that person again. Please be careful using this expression. But you will hear it. You'll see it and you'll hear it when you watch TV shows or movies. When someone's really mad, they might say, "Oh, she's dead to me," or "He's dead to me." And you will hear that. Here's a sentence example. My best friend took my girlfriend and moved away. He is dead to me. I really hope you never have to use it. Next is the idiom dead silence. Shh. In a very, very quiet place, we say that it is dead silence or there is dead silence. Okay? It is dead silent or there is dead silence. It's so quiet. Sometimes this could happen in a library. Everybody is reading or studying. It might be dead silent or there is dead silence. Okay, we're on to number 9. Number 9 is deadbeat. This is an idiom for a person that cannot support themselves. They have no job. They have no money. So they're always asking their friends for money. We'd call this person a deadbeat. An example of this would be, a deadbeat dad. Dad is a father. And a deadbeat dad is a man who had a child with a woman, and then the father, the dad, left the family and did not give any money or support to the family. That is a deadbeat dad. Our next one is number 10. Number 10 is drop dead. This is a very powerful idiom, and be careful how you use this. You would only use this idiom if someone else is really bothering you. They're really bothering you and you want them to go away. Okay? Or you are really angry at somebody. Very, very angry. And if you say drop dead, it means you want that person to die. So it's really strong. So you'd have to be very angry, or you're fighting with somebody and you'd say, drop dead. And it's very powerful. Again, don't use this idiom too often. But when you're watching TV shows or movies, you will hear this, that people do say drop dead. A person may say, I never want to see you again. Drop dead. Okay, our last one, number 11, is dead drunk. What does dead drunk mean? Well, look at this image. This person is dead drunk. It means the person looks like they have died. They are so drunk, they drank so much alcohol that they look like they have died. That guy is dead drunk. I really hope he's okay. In this lesson, you learned 11 useful expressions and idioms that use the word dead. I hope using these will help you sound more natural and fluent speaking English. If you like this video, please click the like button below and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.